Hi, I'm Marc Levy, CEO of Norsemont Mining. We're pleased to put out some recent news on an update on our geological work and campaign on Choquelimpie. We've done some geochemical work, geophysical work, and exploration programs on the project. We recently put out some news here with some images, which we'll get to shortly, with some of the geophysical surveys we've done, some MT and PDIP scans that we've done, and basically provided us some additional information on the project, some targeting, and some of the more exciting information that's come through this. We've identified a geological occurrence below our deposit where we believe the theory is that there could be the copper gold porphyry that we've been looking for, or potentially more mineralization. So there's a lot of opportunity here. Part of our program, we did re-assaying of close to 15,000 samples, which is about 16% of the project, in order to bring the resource up to 43-101 standards. We've got MD Mine Development Associates who's working on that, and we've done more than we need to do to get that up to speed so we can come out with our inaugural 43-101 resource estimate that I know everybody has been asking for, and we're expecting that to be delivered to the market in Q1 2022, and that should definitely change the face of the company and attract a different level of investor, and be a very exciting time to confirm, the existing resource that we have. And so far the progress has been phenomenal. With regards to project, we are rolling out an upcoming drill program, as we've talked about in our press release here. We've also done some surface sampling and other mapping and other work that will be coming to fruition here hopefully shortly. This is some pictures of the geophysical work that we did, where the last bottom picture, you can see there's a very large anomaly here that's underlaying the majority of all the pits that we have, which we believe connects all those pits and forms one large ore body, or it may be that we've found the target, which is that copper gold porphyry talked about. In the middle picture, you can see that from the drilling that was done, as we've always talked about, there is opportunity to drill at depth, and the project is open at depth as well along strike. So between the various pits that we have and on strike, there is opportunity to increase the overall resource. And the figure A above shows where all the high grade mineralizations are located, and we are looking at rolling out a drill program to increase the overall resource and tighten up the existing resource we have. The project itself has over 5.5 million ounces of gold silver equivalent, and we have about 500,000 ounces in our dumps, which could be fast tracked to production. So there's tremendous upside in the project, an ability to go towards a cash flowing situation as well in the short term. And obviously there's that elusive copper porphyry. If we can find that and manage to bring that to fruition, that should help create a lot of value for the company. Obviously our team is headed up on the ground by John Curry here, who's got a lot of experience, and our entire senior team on the ground. They're on the project right now, and obviously they're excited the fact that they've seen the geophysical work show that the theories that we had about the mineralization being there at depth and on strike is an open, which has been proven through that geophysical phase. And now we've got to move on towards the drill testing side, which is the exciting side for the company. And I think we'll have quite a bit of news flow to come on behalf of Norsemont and on the work that's being done on the project. And we look forward for you guys' continued support. We do have an upcoming presentation December 7th that we invite all of our listeners to, and investors and stakeholders to participate in, and should be a fun open discussion. And by that time, I think a lot more information will come to fruition about the project and the direction we're heading in. And I look forward to talking with you guys and the rest of our team.